Similarly, in the Philippines, before martial law, it was an Asian version of the United States system. The Philippines press enjoyed all the freedoms, but they failed the Filipino people. A wildly partisan press helped Filipino politicians to flood the marketplace of ideas with junk and confuse and befuddle the people so that they could not see what their vital interests were in a developing country. And because basic issues like economic growth and an equitable distribution were seldom discussed and never tackled, the democratic system malfunctioned and President Marcos was able to declare martial law. Fortunately, a miraculous demonstration of people's power in February 1986 saved the country from impending disaster.
Una, dili ko ganahan sa media. Kay bias.
Bakit bumababa ang trust rating ng traditional Philippine media? What is your thought on this?
We all know what happened. We had a former president, dinurakan, dinurog ang imahe ng malayang pagpapahayag dito sa ating bansa. But I also have to say that all over the world, the newsrooms are also shrinking, by way of their populist stance, authoritarian regimes, and all that. I can go into that much deeper. Kaya naman din humahanap kami ng ibang mga paraan para makuha ulit ang tiwala na hindi naman kami ang sumira. Isang tao ang sumira, pero kami ngayon ang unti-unting nagbabalik nito.
Now, there are three kinds of journalists in this country. Those who are the crusaders, telling the truth, bearing it all before the public. And they do not accept money. What is very important to them is their profession and telling the truth to the whole world. Then there's a second class of journalists in this country. Yun yung mga mouthpiece ng vested interest. The third is the low life of journalists, accepting money from illegal sources and in return keeping shut their mouth and receive money. And these are the guys whose greed is
Sorry to say, namo sa akong atubangan. Sulti lang kong tinuod. Labi ni nas minsi dire. Salamat kay naa ka. Happy ko nga nakapaminaw ka. So kinahanglan fair mo, di ba? Kay busa lagi na amo diha, kay gisaligan kamo. So luoy inyong amo nga magbalita lang mo sige pangdaot. Di maraba ko gakaniwang, kakatambok kinuon. Kay gana kay kaon, sige mo pangdaot, sige ino kong kaon. So gansi mo, may matang naniwanga kay naguol, wala man. So muna na ako hangyo sa inyo, karon umaabot 2026. So kinahanglan gyud magbag-o na ang atong kinaiya.